Hi, my name is Jaclyn Pare, and I am a graduate of Providence College, class of 2004. I'm also the owner of a small business called Brimmer Boys that focuses on handcrafted specialty clothing for little boys. I'm going to show you today how you can make a DIY facial mask using materials you probably have at home and maybe a Providence College t-shirt. The first step is to take your Providence t-shirt and lay it on a flat cutting surface. I like to take off the hem so you can snip that right off. The next part is to cut a rectangle out of the bottom of your shirt that is about 6 inches from the bottom. You can remove the rest of the shirt or even make more masks from it. Now you have a large rectangular piece. You need to cut a second rectangle out of the middle of it. Cut from the edge here, 1 inch on each side, leaving an area that's about 5 inches here. This will cover your face. You can remove this middle section and then snip open these sides here. Open up your mask and it should look something like this. This area will be able to cover your face and these straps will tie behind your head. I hope this is an easy way for you to make a DIY mask at home using any old t-shirt that you can find.